Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Amy here, as per usual. How you guys doing? Anywho, I just hopped on the camera just to open a package with you guys because I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super excited about this package, and I'm really hoping that it's the exact package that I think it is, or else I'm gonna fret. Honestly, I just hope it's the one that I think it is. Honestly, I hope it is the one I've been waiting for. I just really hope that is the package that I'm waiting for. So let's get right into the unboxing. Oh my gosh, fingers crossed. If it's not, I'm not gonna post this video. Did I say this is? Hey guys, Amy here. As per usual, how you guys doing? I received this package from Amazon. Like let's say an hour ago. And I can't sit still, honestly. I can't wait anymore. I'm like, you know what? Let me just open it. I just want to let the cat out of the bag because I'm tired of waiting. So let's do it together. So, like I said earlier, I just really hope, my fingers are crossed. I am hoping that it's a package, or else, hey God, I'll be so. I don't know. I won't be mad though, but I'm gonna be. You know how you deflate a balloon, right? That's how I'm going to feel. Let's open it together. So this is it. Sealed. It has this dent here. I just hope that whatever it is not ruined inside.
Wild and true, let's ride this out, just me and you. With a watermelon love, we're wild and true.
I think it's the one. Ah, it's the one! Oh my goodness, it's the one. What? How? It is the one. Oh my goodness, this.
Let's ride this out, just me and you.
What? Can you guys see?
We're wild and true.
What? I wasn't expecting it today. That's why I am genuinely surprised. Because should I have been? Oh my god.
Who knows where the sun is gonna lead? We're so
Have been dreaming of you. Oh yeah. Cause I have been dreaming of you, baby.
taste that bliss. Watermelon love can't resist this. Give me that sweet water.
So it comes with this instruction manual. Just open this up. And then the purse. So this is the battery, right? The USB cable. What's it called? A lanyard. Is it lanyard? I can't remember. That's it.
Slow picnic on the grass and blanket. That bliss. Watermelon love can't resist this.
It's so fragile. Can you guys see?
Sweet watermelon, baby.
So I'm gonna turn this on. Can you see? And then can you see this open?
So let's ride this out, just me and you. With a watermelon love, we're wild and true. Let's ride this out, just me.
Can you guys see?
With a watermelon love, we're wild and true.
I don't even know how to feel, honestly. I'm just super excited. It's lightweight, super lightweight though.
Just me and you.
Man, I don't even know.
Oh, oh. Who knows where the summer is gonna lead? We're so
Sorry, I totally forgot about you guys. This camera feels so fragile. Like I feel like, and something happens. It feels so freaking fragile. Anyway, I got a casing for it yesterday. I got this from, yeah, I think I showed it to you guys. So I don't even wait safe. I don't understand. It's like this. I have to put this over this. How? What if it breaks? I'm gonna do this off camera. Anywho, that is the end of this haul. but I'm going to insert what it looks like with this at the end of this. Thank you for staying with me up until this moment. I hope you enjoyed this tiny little haul. The other accessories are coming in. I don't know when, but yeah, the other accessories, I'm going to show you guys when it lands. But for now, we have just this camera, and there's no memory card right now. I was actually expecting a memory card today, but I don't know. The day is still young, so hopefully that comes through. So yeah, thanks for watching this. I don't know how to feel. Anywho, I would see you guys shortly. Yeah, let me keep this here. So this,
Just me.
I am tired. I succeeded in dressing this up. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to take this up from the gimbal. Put it back on. Can you see? Yeah. Let me show you guys. Can you see? Hopefully you guys saw something. It won't be funny, but after turning like that, you didn't see anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this, and then I'm gonna try to understand the whole thing, the whole camera, you know, what's going on there. Anywho, I said I was gonna show you guys, so this is it, and I will talk to you guys in my I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Anywho, so yeah. So this is what we have. Maybe video. Just